We don't discuss the situation of the country. Now, make we discuss situation of you and I. This one, a personal conversation. And I believe say most women that go won't understand this one because some people don't even know say as the matter take be, but now postpartum depression. The matter big, the word is heavy, but no worry. We go break them down for now, make una understand waiting this thing be about. As the matter take be, it can be like say a lot of women they go through this situation after childbirth. And some of them know they even know as it be. Some of them don't even know waiting this thing be about. They just feel saying, I just they feel one kind. I'm not just interested. Or the thing just do me in a way, say, I go just like face my front. But this thing we want to discuss today, we get one better guest to go follow us discuss them this morning. And make I just sharply give us breakdown of waiting this whole matter take be. Now, we go talk with one better clinical psychologist. His name na Aminu Olawale. Oga Aminu. Welcome and thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you, my brother. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us here.
All right. So make we just enter the matter because I don't speak the grammar. People feel no understand what postpartum depression be. You will be expert inside this matter. If you just break them down for us, waiting be postpartum depression.
Okay, well, postpartum depression. Now, in the simple terminology,
yes,
the word depression. I'm sure everybody they familiar with that one. But you see, postpartum depression now, another type of depression we be seeing now women, specifically women, in the experience them oftentimes. And this kind of depression, now the depression we be see they happen after the woman don't born. You know, that's why the word postpartum, you know, they come join them with depression. So basically, this kind of depression now after the woman don't born, now she they experience this kind of depression and a very rare form. And this form of depression as it is, so now different, you know, symptoms now. They happen to the woman, maybe say she no go really understand what thing they happen to her. But people like us, we don't be familiar with the term and know the process, go feel even identify and say, this woman way with they see. So some of these things now they happen to them. So part of waiting feed they happen to a woman, we don't born. Or we after she born, we begin experience this kind of depression. First of all, make we not forget, say, aside the hormonal changes where they happen, when woman don't get belly, some kind of changes go happen for the woman body. This one take follow join the matter as part of waiting fit predispose the woman, make she they experience this form of depression after she don't give birth to child. Other factors fit include you know, psychological predisposition. We don't they maybe for example, I don't know whether you know say get one particular thing where they happen way back when the Yoruba people, if they weren't married, they launch investigation into family to find out within the worry them for inside that house, which kind of disease they do them for there. Exactly. So those kind of predispositions save day. So a woman will come from a lineage, we say then we get predisposition, maybe due to genetic combination, get predisposition to this kind of mood swing disorders. This kind of woman self experience postpartum depression after when she don't give birth to child. Other issues include socio-cultural factors. You know, say from where we come from, thank God for this side of the world, they do what they call mugo. You know, but for some other places, they know they do all these kind practices. So the bodily change plus the stress and all these things feel predispose the woman, make she, you know, begin to experience this thing what they call depression. And part of the thing where the woman go begin the experience or the kind of symptoms where she go present, where people go take no. Part of NBC, the woman, if she don't born, you know, some women, if they don't born, normally, now happiness, they ain't go there around that kind of woman. People go come visit them. Everywhere go full, people go be happy. Exactly. But you go find out, say that kind of woman, when people don't there around them, she go there withdrawn. Now that time, she don't make anybody disturb. And that time, she don't want to follow anybody talk. Now that time, she go the cranky, she go the nag. You know, see people there around them. People who don't understand this thing, go come they look and say, what thing they do this particular woman. Come greet you, say you born. Exactly. So people. She could experience that kind of thing. Aside that withdrawal, which could experience that now the number one thing we go first they happen to her.
Okay, so now the first symptom where if you see, where if you observe, if you see say a woman they act like that after she born. Okay.
Exactly. She go there withdrawn.
Okay.
She no go they relate well like she they relate before.
All right.
So that's a major thing we go happen to them. Aside that one, such woman or such a woman, she begin the experience what we call partial insomnia.
You no go they sleep.
Now say she no go. Thank you. She go dey restless. She no go fit dey sleep. Now every time she go just dey preoccupied, and it's also a thing of worry because woman wey born normal she suppose dey rest.
Yes.
You know, make she get people where they help her, support her, they take care of the child, they do all those things. But the woman no go fit. She no go they experience good sleep. That's another thing we go fit they happen to such woman. Now aside that one, you get another thing we they call whipping spells. Normal. If woman born, sometimes I've experienced it in the course of dealing with my own clients. Then,
Okay.
people say she go dey cry for no reason. She go dey unhappy for no reason. Sadness. And this is very key, a very key symptom with all forms of depression. They go dey withdrawn, she go dey sad. People go dey ask am, they worry, say why she dey cry. She no go fit explain, say that so thing they do am. You understand? She go just dey unhappy, dey moody. So this one, another thing we go with that woman, we don't already present symptom of this form of depression, we call postpartum depression. Now, one of the things which you would experience with that.
Wow.
In another situation, some kind of women feed they no go fit chop.
They
go lose appetite.
Okay.
They no go fit chop. If they cook for them, they no go chop. And you know, say a person we just born now, body suppose they rest, make you they recoup. You understand? You need to eat good food, make your body feel gather well.
Yes.
But if in situations where she no can begin chop, this lack of eating, will can't even cause further, will bring forth further symptoms. If woman know the chop well, already she's stressed. She need to be able to supply her body the correct amount of nutrients so she go fit breastfeed.
True.
So indirectly or directly, the child self don't dey affected from that lack of appetite with the woman they experience. You understand? Emancipation self will come in, she go begin lose weight. Unnecessarily, people go begin worry, say whether she don't sick again or something.
Yeah.
So these are key things where go dey happen if the woman don't dey present symptoms.
Okay.
In fact, the symptoms are so numerous.
Okay.
But this is just to mention a few.
Yeah, just to mention a few. As you don't break down some of the ones where they're very, very common. These are situations where they're very common with the women where they experience this kind of situation. And about some people, they talk, say, sometimes they don't get some kind of experience where maybe the mama no even want born the pikin before, and situation can happen. Shall say doctor tell and say this kind of pikin, you must born this pikin. So right from that time, she don't already disconnected from the pikin before she even born her.
Yes.
So if you say this
well.
one self, if you add to this postpartum depression matter, if you say that something.
Thank you very much, my brother. So when I did talk earlier on, I forgot to mention, say postpartum depression. This thing we call postpartum depression. They just start.
Okay.
When the woman don't born.
Okay.
You understand? So through the stages of or the trimesters of pregnancy, say when woman born and when woman get belly, like 9 months, they take for the entire process to complete.
Yes.
So within this time, the life changes, the life experiences which you don't get, will they predispose them. You understand?
Yeah.
The onset where we say people go come they take ICM. Everything will go to happen na internal at that stage.
Not true.
Na internal.
Not true.
Exactly. So now when the woman don't come born picking, when the symptoms don't begin manifest, now people go the same. So what you mentioned earlier on, for example, now very key thing self if you make woman begin experience depression. Okay. We don't see case where we say woman maybe because of rape, bad experience such as rape, she can't get belly, and then maybe because of our socio-cultural practices for this part of the world, some people they say for their family now taboo make them go do that kind of thing. You understand? So she will have to then go feel compelled and say maybe she keep the pregnancy. So already this kind of mother to start with say don't they disconnected with that child.
True. Because
of the experiences or the memory way that child would trigger every time she sees the child. I don't see the situation where we say woman born finish, carry the pikin, try strangle the pikin.
Wow.
So cases in some rare cases, woman go. We have recorded cases where we say the woman successfully killed the child.
Very sad.
And that process is actually called infanticide. We say out of these things where don't they happen, where people quickly notice.
People no see.
The woman was able to success. Thank you. So now make it very key for this part of the world when woman born, even as the husband or as the partner, person is supposed to observe women. They're supposed to observe them during those processes, those periods, make them understand what thing they happen or what be the nemesis or the situation which surround that pregnancy. She now wanted pregnancy. All these things. Now it make when women go antenatal, and part of everything that they discuss with them and the nurses too, I give them kudos that they try to see whether any of these kind of symptoms don't already they present during that period of trimesters of pregnancies. So yes, my brother is very much correct. That kind of thing safe, we make the woman.
Okay, so it's good to say we don't highlight some of these conversations, some of these signs and symptoms we we're supposed to look out for. And you, as you talk, and if a person get belly around you, as the partner where you be, or the family people you be, make on they observe, they see as the woman, her body, they change, and her moods, they change toward the situation. But I would like to ask this one before we go wrap up the matter for here. Share this postpartum depression matter. Is they curable or now something we go just deal with? Say is they curable? Say if you carry the person go hospital, so yeah, make we sit down with a professional, make they help us sort the matter.
Okay. Yes, thank you very much. So thank God, we never see the one way God don't do way, they always get solution.
Yes, sir.
So this form of depression definitely is treatable.
Okay, thank God for
It
that.
is treatable. And they are very different. There are different approaches where people, professionals approach them. You understand? Some, in cases where the thing is severe, that kind of woman, outright, they go need to administer drugs to them.
Okay.
Now, that in rare cases where, let me start an example, such as postpartum psychosis. That one, now another level. So that one immediately, it means that the woman don't present symptoms, she don't lose touch with reality.
Yes.
So in order for treatment process to go on, now this guy, again one terminology where they use, I can't remember now, what they use for Yoruba, abisinwi, where we say woman go born, she could just immediately begin to present psychotic symptoms. So in cases like this one, they go need to first suppress the woman,
Okay.
make she for balance. They go gas suppress and induce them with drugs, injections, and all of that. Make she for fit balance. Then a softer approach can now be used, such as therapy.
Okay. Okay. So
Therapy, I want to.
Okay, so after
Psychotherapy,
sorry to cut you, but after infusing, because
Yes,
of time, I want to rush and give this analysis. So after infusing the drugs, they will start therapy with the woman.
Psychotherapy, exactly.
Okay.
Therapy with such a woman will probably span at least minimum of at least 6 months.
Okay.
The therapist could work with the woman and they observe and they see how the woman successfully achieve the milestones of treatment.
All right.
And then before you know it, such a woman will be fully functional again and she will even take care of her child.
All right. All right. It could say we don't discuss this matter this
I
morning.
need to mention one thing before I go.
Okay, just mention.
So in cases where quickly, well, you see the danger where they did now see woman we don't experience them before.
Yes.
In the past. If you get belay again, chances they say that kind of woman safe still fair experience.
Them again.
So for people who don't experience them, we need to now be extra careful once you get belay again. To help manage her in a way we see she no go fit present the symptoms again when she give birth.
All right. All right.
That's basically it's very much treatable.
It is treatable. All right. Thank you very much, Oga Olawale Aminu. Thank you for this conversation. And it could say at least we don't highlight some of the symptoms where people supposed to look out for. And the advice where you give,
yes,
say make people they watch their relatives or their spouses them when they get belly to understand as their body they change. We appreciate you this morning. Thank you for joining us, Oga Olawale.
Thank you to my brother.
Yes. All right. When I don't hear as the matter take be, this now the conversation we say we put out there. Make una understand, say this postpartum depression matter, it is real. So make we check ourselves so that we don't go make that mistake to fall into the wrong side of the conversation.